When in the water, take hold of one of the grab lines on a life raft or life buoy. Each life raft will hold 6 to 8 people.
It was windy old weather, stormy old weather. When the wind blows, we'll all hold together. Then up jumps the Harry, the king of the sea. Says he, oh skipper, you'll never catch me in